Hello, Jen Blanchard, Berkshire Hathaway Home Services. I'm a real estate agent. I think you already know that though. So today's question, do I really need to have an open house? Do they really work? There's two answers to that question because actually there were two questions there. Do you have to have open houses? No. Do they really work? Sometimes. So here's the thing about an open house. I'm never going to twist somebody's arm. If you really, truly have an aversion to having an open house at your property, that's fine. I don't want to make anybody uncomfortable. Selling a home is as stressful as it can get without making somebody push out of their comfort zone. So if you really don't want to have an open house, that's fine. But let me tell you why they're a good thing to have, okay? Not every weekend. Not all the time. Not even for 4 hours. So lots of people out there who are shopping for a home will often call me on one of my listings and say, when is the next open house? And I'll say, we don't have one scheduled, but I'm more than happy to meet you for a private showing. And they say, no, that's okay. I don't want to waste your time. I don't want to waste my realtor's time. I really just want to come on an open house. I don't want anyone to bother me. So having an open house is one way to get more people in who would not otherwise come. People who are not working with a realtor yet and don't want to work with a realtor yet. People who are working with a realtor, but they've told their realtor their requirements for their next home and your home doesn't meet those requirements. That realtor is not going to show it to them. However, if they happen to be out and about on a Sunday or cruising Zillow or looking at street signs or checking my website for what's open, they may decide to come. And you know what? Your house might meet their need. But if you didn't have an open house, they wouldn't know that because their realtor wasn't showing it to them. So lots of different reasons to have an open house. Is it an absolute necessity? Absolutely not. Is it a good thing to do? Yeah. Every weekend? No. So how's that for a wishy-washy answer to a pretty straightforward question? I know sometimes I'm that way, but there's lots of different strategies for lots of different markets and properties. So if you want to have a conversation about your house, give me a call. Thanks.